Today we are exploring the top 7 best AI tools for web designers. The AI operates by collecting information on the website analytics, its user base, product catalog, and other key aspects. Starting with the number 6, Proto.io. Proto.io is a prototyping tool that allows designers to create interactive and high-fidelity prototypes for web and mobile applications. At the number 5, InVision Studio. InVision Studio is a comprehensive design platform that combines design, prototyping, and collaboration features to streamline the design process. At the number 4, Canva. Canva is an easy-to-use graphic design tool with a vast library of templates and assets, suitable for both designers and non-designers. At the number 3, Adobe XD. Adobe XD is a powerful design and prototyping tool by Adobe that enables designers to create interactive user experiences for web and mobile. At the number 2, Sketch. Sketch is a popular vector-based design tool with a focus on user interface design and prototyping. At the number 1, Figma. Figma is a collaborative design tool that allows real-time collaboration and seamless design workflows for UI/UX designers.